In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins on BNB Chain. Now, there's a lot of different platforms you can actually trade this on. However, I'm using Axiom, and if you want to use Axiom as well, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Link down below. You will not regret it. So to actually trade meme coins on BNB Chain here on Axiom, first, you have to switch from Solana, which they actually used to have as the only meme coin trading platform, so the Solana chain. You can now go ahead and switch to BNB as well. Since the recent update, okay? And now when you are on the BNB chain to actually trade meme coins here, you have to click on the deposit button, deposit some BNB onto your Axiom account, or you can buy it right here, or if you're holding any Solana or Hyperliquid, you can also swap it and convert it right away on Axiom. So after you have some BNB on your account, you can then go to discover different trending meme coins over here, or you can go to polls where you can use different filters, stuff like that, to actually filter out the new pairs, final stretch coins, and the migrated coins. Now, after that, of course, when you find a coin you would like to buy, so let's just click on a random coin over here. For example, let's do this one. There we go. Here, you can just go ahead and then trade on the right-hand side. So we have the buy and sell button. So click on the buy button. Then you have to select how much you want to buy, for example, and then you can just initiate this trade. And whenever you are then ready to sell, you can click on the sell button and sell just as easily as well. So that's pretty much how to trade meme coins on BNB Chain using Axiom. If you need any more tutorials on Axiom, I have hundreds on my channel, so make sure you go watch those as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.